It's okay. Leave her right there. She's fine. She's just looking at your blocks. Now she may try to bite you, but she's going to look at your blocks. Wow.
Nope. Not for you, Lila. This is you, Lila. No.
Well, why don't you give her one so she can have one?
No, Lila. I'm opening it.
Can you tell Olivia the colors of those blocks?
Nope. No!
It's okay. She just wants to play too. Show her the green block.
No.
You're doing so nice counting them. She just wants to play.
Now do.
Let's see. She's trying to crawl.
No, she's not.
She's moving forward. That's a nice big line you have there.
No.
Tell her what you did.
I count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Let's see if she follows you. Maybe she'll come and get you. Go get him, Olivia. Go get him. Go get him. You're silly, Olivia. Do it again.
Let's jump.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, where's she going?
She's trying to crawl, but she keeps going backwards. Oh, but I think she might have sat herself back up. She did. Good job, Olivia.
Good job. Put the leg out.
Oh, thanks. Good job, Olivia.
Good job. Whoa.
Careful.
Careful, Olivia. You're going to fall down and bump her head, Liza.
That wouldn't be good, would it?
Yeah.
See? What do you think? Now just go. Go, baby, go.